Seatbelt stop rushing clip is a clip that stops your body from rushing forward when a collision or emergency braking occurs. More importantly, you can preset the distance of your body rushing forward to conform safety. Now, test the special effect of the seatbelt automatic locking device. First, when the seatbelt is not bent, pull it out slowly, it will not lock. Pull it out a little faster, it will not lock. Pull it out quickly, it will not lock. Pull it out faster, it will lock. But it has been pulled out for a long time, and the direction is not sensitive and fast enough. Second, when the seatbelt is bent, pull it out slowly, it will not lock. Pull it out a little faster, it is locked. Pull it out quickly, it's locked. Pull it out faster, it will lock. Every time the seatbelt is pulled out at different speeds, the result is the same. The lock is very fast, and the stop rushing clip is only 2 centimeters away from the edge of the seatbelt outlet. The seatbelt stop rushing clip is designed based on the above principle. Now, open the clip. There is a foldable folding head on the upper end. Now, install the clip on the seatbelt and press the clamping mouth. If it cannot be pressed, release the trigger first and then press it. The clip is clamped on the seatbelt and can slide freely. Now, insert the seatbelt buckle, tighten the abdominal seatbelt, push the stop rushing clip upwards, press the trigger, let go. The seatbelt is tightly attached to the chest. Quickly pull out the seatbelt. The stop rushing clip is 2 centimeters away from the edge of the seatbelt outlet, and the performance of the seatbelt is 10 centimeters away from the chest. Just the fist can be inserted. As long as the equipment body falls forward quickly, it will lock. Exactly the 10 centimeters. And these centimeters is the basic relaxing distance for locking the seatbelt. If you want to lock it at 20 centimeters, which is more comfortable, then adjust the seatbelt 10 centimeters away from the chest. This is very comfortable, but it's very safe. If it is set to 5 centimeters loose, one palm, the human body will lock as it falls forward quickly, 1/5 plus 1 palm. The body can move freely and it will not lock. If it is fast, it will lock. Very safe, all automatic. Now, let us introduce the emergency braking effect of the stop rushing clip under various high and low speed. 10 kilometers locked. 20 locked. 90 locked. 100 locked. 110 locked. For pregnant woman use, wear the seat belt. Connect the buckle. Adjust the belly belt slightly loose. Clamp the two layers of seat belts tightly together. Connect the buckle. Like this. It can prevent the belly belt from tightening sharply during a collision to squeeze the belly and the fetus. When children sit in a car, the seat belt will squeeze their necks. You can pull the chest seat belt below the navel, adjust the angle away from the neck, and then clip the chest seat belt and the abdomen seat belt together to the stop rushing clip below the navel. That's it. This is a child safety seat. The upper end of all child safety seats are loose, although the lower part are tightly fixed, but the upper end are loose. The side seat will fall forward when the collision occurs. It's very dangerous. Then, pull out the seat belt by centimeters. Push the clip against the seat belt exit. Press the trigger. Completed. Oppose the collision. Locked. Upon collision. Locked. Very safe.